Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips by AP. In this video, we'll be covering how to use the autofill function, custom list function and flash fill. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So how to do the autofill? Suppose you have one in the C3 cell and now you want to drag the number. So you can see that here till 12 or 13th row, 1 will get dragged. How am I dragging this? Like you can see this small plus button. So if you will click this button and drag down, you can see that one is getting repeated. And now you have this autofill options over here. So right now it is copying the same cell. Now if you want, you can fill these cells with series. So now you can see that here the series has been filled like 1 2 3 4. Now if you have already kept some formatting and you just want that formatting to be copied down, so you can do that also. And if you want to do the series without formatting, so you can do that as well. We will see this flash fill option soon in this video. So if you don't want to do the autofill with this function, so what you can do is you can just directly write 1 2 and then you can select this 1 2 and just drag this. So now you can see that it is automatically filling the series. Now if you are writing 1 10, so Excel is very smart. It will automatically detect the series and give us the next number. So you can see that 10 minus 1 is 9. So the Excel is adding 9 in all the next numbers. If I will be writing 1 3 5, so Excel will automatically understand that this is the series of odd number. If I will write from 2 4 6, so it will directly understand that this is the series of even number. So these are some autofill series. So the next is, instead of numbers, if I will be adding text like Monday, so then also it will automatically understand and give us the next numbers, next text. So now this is weeks. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday till Sunday, and then again it will start Monday, Tuesday. So instead of writing whole Monday, if I will just write MON, Excel is making this all series by its own. Now instead of weeks, if I will add month, then also it is automatically giving us the next number. If I will add the month in the caps, then also it will give me the next months. This all series are the default series which Excel already have. Now if I want a series like high, low, so if I will drag this again, it will be coming high, low and high, low, high, low. But I was expecting that it should come as high, then medium, and low. But it didn't came. Now if I will drag this series, so it will come like high, medium, low, high, medium, low. But right now it is not automatically. If I will press just high, it won't automatically detect that next should be medium and third should be low. So for this, you can add series as per your requirement also in this Excel. These are some default series. So right now this option is good if you want to drag a series till 10 or 20 or till 50. For small numbers it's fine if you do this. But if you want a series of 1000 or 2000, then you can't drag this same series up till 1000 or 2000. It will be time consuming. So you can go in the home tab in the editing section. Here we have fill option. So if you will click on this fill option, you have this series. So now you want the series in column. So it is by default in column. So now you want the series type to be linear. So we have selected by default it is linear only. And you want the step value to be 1 and the stop value to be 1000 suppose. And if I will press OK, So now you can see that it is coming till 1000. If I will, instead of 1, if I will write the step value as 20 and the stop value as 300. So you can see that we have added the step value as 20 and the stop value as 300, and in the row section we did that. So now the values are coming in row with by skipping 20 numbers. So the difference will be 20 in all these numbers. So this way you can use the series option from here also. Shortcut for opening this series pop-up box is Alt H F I S. So now series option is open. You can change it as per your requirement. If it is date, so you can fill the date also. You want the date for each days or just for weekdays or by month you want to fill. As per your requirement, you can change this. So now if I want this high, medium, low type of custom series or custom list, so I can add my custom lists as well. So here in this custom list, if I want A, B, C, D up till Z, because right now if I am writing A and then B, and if I am dragging it down, so it is just coming A, B, A, B, A, B. But I want A, B, C, D till Z. So I can add the custom list, or I want high, medium, low, or true, false, or I want this excellent, good, average, poor, and very poor types of list. So I will go on the file section. Here you can see the more, and in more you have the options. In options you have advanced options. Come at this option, display option, with this workbook and custom list. So when you will come at the bottom of this advanced option, you can find edit custom list. So here you already have the default list as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and fully you can write Sunday, Sunday, full spelling. Then you have some small spellings and big full spelling of Jan, Fab. You have some customized list over here. So now I want to add a new list. So I will press on new list, and then I will select the list range. If here you have any range automatically selected, you can just remove that range and select the new range which you want and press add, and then press import. Now it is imported, and if you will press OK, so now you have that list in your Excel. So if you will press A, then B, and now if I will drag this list, so you can see that now it is coming till Y, Z. And if you will more drag this list, then automatically list will start again from A. Let us see if it works for small letters also or not. So this list is working for small letters as well. So by this we can say that uppercase or lowercase doesn't matter. If we are adding it in uppercase also, but if we want the same list in lowercase, it will come. So this way we can add the custom list. Let us add one more custom list. This list, excellent, poor, average one. So we will go again on file, we'll add more option. In options we will go to advanced, and we will come on this edit list, edit custom list, and here we will select J2 to J6. We will import this, we'll add, we will import this, and we'll press OK button again. Okay, now if I will press excellent, and then if I will drag this, it is coming. So this way you can add your custom list as well. So the final topic for this video is flash fill. So flash fill is used to automatically detect the pattern in a text format. So if I will write Ram over here and I will drag this and press over here and select the flash fill. So it is automatically detecting that from all these names we have to select the first word. If I will write Gupta, so you can see that automatically it is giving me the last name of all the last word of all the names. So if I am writing Dutt, so it is giving me the last second word of the name. So here from last it is Singh and Shakti. So second is Shakti. Then from last for Kumar and Kushal. So last second word is Kushal. So this way it is automatically detecting the pattern. So suppose we have this type of data and now we want this data to be clubbed. So if I will write Ram Dutt over here and drag this option and click on flash fill. So now it is clubbing this first two name. If I will add Ram and Gupta, so automatically it is clubbing the first and last name. And here we don't have any last name, the last word, so it is just giving us the causal. So basically flash fill is used to split the names or to combine the name or any text you want to do. That's all for this video. Hope you like this video and learn how to use autofill, custom list and flash fill options. See you in next video.